Alright, picture this. It's a cold December evening and I'm sitting on the couch wrapped in a blanket. Why? Because I won an argument with my wife. Yep, you heard me right, I won, but at what cost? So, here's the backstory. My wife and I were having this heated debate about, well, something totally trivial now that I think about it, but at the time it felt monumental. And somehow, against all odds, I managed to win. I was on top of the world. I strutted around like a peacock, feeling like I just conquered Everest. But my victory was short-lived. My wife, with the calmest tone, said, "Fine, you win. Enjoy your triumph on the couch for a week." Wait, what? The couch? I thought she was joking, but nope, she was dead serious. And that's how I ended up spending the next 7 nights in the living room. Now let me tell you something about the couch. It's great for watching TV, but not so much for sleeping. My back was killing me by day 3. I missed my bed, my pillow, and most importantly my wife. Every night I'd hear the soft hum of our bedroom heater, and I'd just stare at the ceiling, contemplating my life choices. Yeah, I won the argument, but I lost the warmth of my bed and the comfort of my wife's goodnight kisses. By the end of the week I was ready to surrender. I apologized in the most heartfelt way possible and finally got my bed back. The moral of the story, guys. Sometimes it's better to lose an argument than to lose what really matters. Winning isn't everything if it leaves you feeling like you've lost. Thanks for watching, and remember to choose your battles wisely. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more relatable husband tales. Until next time, take care and stay comfy.